Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your Roku TV system. So let's get started. We'll start with the Roku remote control. Go down this list here and go to Settings. Then go across to the right and head down this list. As you progress, you will come to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Just click there. Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings appear. Now it's going to require a code for the first connection. So we'll bear that in mind. We'll go to the iPhone now. We'll go to the Control Center by swiping down. And just here, look for these two squares. They may be somewhere else on your Control Center, but these two squares are screen mirroring. You can see the Roku streaming stick, so I shall press that. And it's asking for the code, and you can see that on screen. Yours will likely be different. So I will tap this in now. 9461. OK. And as you can see, my screen is now mirrored to the Roku. So that's exactly how it's done. If you want to end the connection, just grab your remote control and press the back button just at the top here. That takes you out. So I hope that's helped. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up because it really does help me out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.